Anyone who's worked on a multidiscipline plant model knows the problem. Coordination breaks and context gets lost. XREFs, binds, and file boundaries make even simple updates risky and time-consuming. This is Model Manager. It's not a modeling tool. It's a coordination layer that sits on top of your existing CAD workflow. You keep working in your own drawing. Model Manager handles the federation. Model Manager uses areas within a site. Each area provides spatial context to a group of models. Let's start by opening a 3D model in a typical process unit. We imagine other objects like piping, structural steel, and electrical conduit also exist in this space. It's critical we are able to visualize the complete 3D content around us to avoid clashes or make connections. We will use Model Manager to create and organically build up this area as models join and are automatically referenced into each other. Notice the references are automatically made appear transparent and are locked in space to prevent typical AutoCAD commands like move, copy, and stretch from altering the references. Finally, we can add any remaining models to the area to get the full picture. Any changes made to the group will be reflected anytime the drawing is reopened. The system reconstructs the full model context automatically. All models are now aligned in space without manually managing XREFs, insertion points, or rotations. Views are shared at the area level, not stored in individual drawings. They define reusable 3D volumes and can be inserted directly into paperspace as scaled viewports. To create a view, the user selects the origin of a 3D rectangular area or box. Then the size and direction of view can be added or edited anytime. The preview button draws the 3D box in all viewports. This view can be applied in any viewport, including front and back clips. This makes it easy to work in crowded or obscured spaces like under a platform or around a pump in a congested area. The same views, when applied to a paperspace layout tab, are placed as scaled and clipped drawing views, complete with matched lines and coordinates. Of course, these update whenever any of the area models change. This means work in progress orthographic update with each model change across the whole area. This standardizes how teams document the models within each area. Areas exist within a site. It's common for sites to combine structures, building, and pipeways that are not aligned with the site's main coordinates. Model Manager handles this automatically. Each area has its own area coordinate system, but can also store a transform to the site. To set up the transform, the user simply selects the origin of north direction of the site and the transform is defined. That provides a way that multiple area can be referenced into the site with the correct location, direction, and scale. This facility also allows an area to reference a neighboring area in exactly the right location to balance of plant connections. This also allows users to toggle between coordinate display and area, site, or geolocated coordinates anytime for readout or annotation. Evolve without breaking the others. ViZN tools, where every object tells its full story.